Hey y'all, it's Monique with TexasGalStudio coming to you with a little garden vlog. So it's that time again to start planting some cucumbers and corn. I've never really grown during this season. I know I usually leave it during the August season since the temperature starts getting a little bit cooler towards September and October, but I'm still going to try it. It says there that corn is good to grow right now. Cucumbers, I think I still have this month. I'm planting a lot of wildflowers. I'll show you there in a minute, like the packets zinnia and I can't remember the other ones, but they're just a whole bunch of wildflowers that I did pick out, and they're just older seed packets too, so some of these might work and some might not, but that's okay. I'm going to continue adding every 2 weeks, I think. I'm just going to continue and see what pops out. So I wasn't sure whether I wanted to take out the sunflower that's here, and right now I'll show you how the back part of this garden is. So this is the front part before we go inside the larger veggie garden that I have. But so I was kind of torn whether to take, if you notice right there on the right hand side of where I'm cleaning, there's a huge sunflower. My husband says that they're wild, but I did throw some sunflower seeds there. They're not the ones that actually have the seeds itself, but either way, he says those are wild and that's not the right one, but I still like it, and they just overgrew. See back there, it just looks so pretty, so overgrown, but we are clearing up some of this area in order to make sure there's enough sun hitting all the veggies that we plan to seed out there. So I know he has some zucchini out there, and here is where I'm going to take out that sunflower. But I'll just leave some music here. I just thought I'd come in and say hi and show you a little bit of what I'm doing in my garden and continue bringing you through the process of the seedlings growing. So I do come back and show you 2 weeks later what some of these seeds have already germinated. So some of the flowers have come out and I'm super excited, and some haven't. So like I said, every 2 weeks I'm just going to continue adding seeds and see what happens, because I do have tons of older seeds that I've just been kind of hoarding, I guess. But let me leave some music here. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all have a great day. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye y'all.